What's up guys? Today in this video we're installing a catch can for the S55 BMW M4. So a lot of white smoke came out of the exhaust, so I'm thinking it needs an oil catch can. So we'll see what it does with this. So this is the catch can. Comes with this bracket on top and it has this hose. So the way to install it is basically take this thing off. Just gonna set it there. And then this piece right here needs to come off and go into this opening right here. And then the old pipe goes in there basically. And the bracket goes on this screw right here. Just gotta take this off. Removing this bolt right here. Need a flat head to remove this. There's another engine cover here. It's not coming off. Pipe is off. Guess I can't put the whole thing in at once. First pipe is in. Extra one is going in now. Get an Allen key now. So it's attached right here. Just gotta tighten these now, which is gonna take all year. Tight enough. So the old pipe that came from there went into the pipe that says out. And then the new one goes in the one that says in right there. So we're gonna go for a test run and see if it still blows white smoke.